Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of features on the application of Reddit. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we search about Reddit and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will click here on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.